Hi, I'm Dr. Masato Nagao, a professor of the Department of Orthopedic Surgery at UCSF. My specialty is physical medicine and rehabilitation. Physical medicine and rehabilitation covers a large area, but my primary interests, one, spine and musculoskeletal rehabilitation, two, electrodiagnosis, which is nerve conduction study and electromyography, and three, pain management, such as spine injections and nerve blocks. I care for patients who suffer from pain in spine, nerves, bones, joints, and muscles. I was an academic orthopedic surgeon in Japan, and after moving to the United States, I changed my specialty and completed residency training in physiatry in New York. I like to teach and interact with residents and medical students. I work with them very closely and educate how to diagnose and develop a treatment plan together for the clinically challenging patients. I love to every day.